Keys not in the ignition. See? Car's off. I just have the door open. New car is making this noise. Which my brother got an email saying that this noise that it makes when the keys are not in the ignition is the horn trying to engage something with the computer, which then kills the battery and possibly the transmission within a year. I haven't even had this car a month. And there's nothing I can do about this noise except keep it running. Which it gets under 20 miles a gallon. Here, I'll close the door. This stupid car seems to come more from that side. Like, driver's side, passenger side. That weird, inconsistent interval noise. On a car that's less than a month old, with less than 2,000 miles on it. There's my Civic. Ford. Fix or repair daily. Piece of crap. Civic was reliable till I crashed it. At almost 200,000 miles. It never made a noise like this, ever. Did it finally stop? Nope. No keys in it. It's not on. I hate this car. I think it's a lemon. And I would like my money back to put towards a non-Ford vehicle. Preferably a Honda or Toyota, which would get good gas mileage and be reliable. And not make that noise. I warn everyone to never buy Fords, especially a Ford Focus SE 2014. I have my Honda emblem thing, and it's my rear view mirror hanging up. Because I love that car over there, but unfortunately I messed up the front, which messed up the radiator, so it overheats. Fix or repair daily. Found on road dead. Gets terrible gas mileage. You can't put an amp into it because of the stupid sync integrated system, which I don't even use except to tell it to play a certain song. I never put my phone in on like connected Bluetooth. I got a new car thinking that a new car, okay, I'll be responsible. And if I get a new car, it won't have any problems. A used car, you know, if I got a used Civic, it might have issues. Well, this is the new car that I'm stuck with. Are you gonna not make the noise now? Just wait for it. maybe it stopped. Ugh. See, every time I say, hey, maybe it stopped, it makes a noise. Maybe it stopped. Don't buy a Ford Focus. Don't buy Fords. I recommend Honda. I loathe this car. I hate this car.